Struggling with unreliable reports in your insurance agency? At Agency Performance Partners, we're here to help you focus on facts, not feelings, with essential insurance metrics. Why do metrics matter? They replace gut instincts with data-driven decisions, ensuring consistency and quality from your management system. Key reports to review include the activity report for team actions and client interaction, overdue activities to clear backlogs, new business for growth tracking, but you need to code rewrites correctly, cancellations to understand your losses, your book of business for policy snapshots and opportunities, and retention rates by policy, premiums, and revenue. Inaccurate reports stem from no processes, inconsistent audits, poor system knowledge, wrong setups, uncoded rewrites, or faulty configurations. We'll fix these with you to get reliable data. To achieve accurate data, start with setup meetings with our team using our guides that are written by industry experts. We'll implement weekly dashboards for bonus and history so you can see what's going on. We'll even refine it with you over 8 to 10 weeks with leadership meetings to share and eventually share all the data with your team and tie it to incentives. This allows you to democratize your data. We'll maintain hygiene throughout company meetings for accountability, KPIs and job reviews, and link all the data to your compensation. And our APP data team is monitoring for issues and some support along the way. So if you're ready for data excellence, let us know. This is included with all of our consulting and training programs, and we'd love to learn more about your agency and how we can help.